Heavy grading and big retaining walls can quietly drain a budget-friendly home construction project before you even pour concrete. To reduce earthwork grading costs, start by asking your designer to shape the house to follow the natural topography instead of forcing a perfectly flat pad. On a slope, use a stepped foundation where different sections of the footing drop in stages, which cuts down on excavation depth and retaining wall height while still keeping floors level inside. Avoid excessive cut and fill by limiting how much soil you remove from high spots and how much you need to import to fill low spots, and instead accept gentle slopes in driveways and yards where it is comfortable and safe. When retaining walls are necessary, keep them small and in tiers, with each wall only a few feet high, which usually needs less engineering, less drainage work, and cheaper materials. Preserve mature trees when practical because their roots help stabilize soil and reduce erosion, and skipping large removals can save both equipment time and replanting costs. Coordinate with your builder, designer, and grading contractor early, asking for at least 2 grading layouts, one minimal disturbance option and one more conventional option, and compare the cost and impact of each. A few common mistakes push grading costs up fast. One mistake is insisting on a perfectly level yard everywhere, which can triple cut and fill volumes, so instead accept gentle slopes and focus on flat areas only where you really need them, like patios or play spaces. Another mistake is pushing the house too close to a steep drop, which often triggers tall retaining walls and complex drainage. So pulling the footprint a little back on the site can lower walls and simplify foundation design. A third mistake is ignoring drainage until the end, which leads to regrading and surprise add costs. So make sure swales, surface drains, and downspout routes are drawn clearly on the grading plan and reviewed with the excavator before work starts. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier to match budget-friendly grading goals with local contractors who understand how to work with the land instead of fighting it. On our site, homeowners can find nearby pros for earthwork, foundations, and retaining walls, and contractors can find new projects, share advice, and connect in our discussion community to talk about smart, cost-conscious ways to build on real-world sites.